Hi everyone! Today is the day I finally unboxed my AirPods because I've been wanting them for quite a while for my birthday, but when I finally decided to buy them for myself,
Yes,
they were unavailable.
it's finally available after.
We even went to the military base in Germany, the American military base, and even there they were unavailable.
They said it's worldwide.
Very surprising, even
According to
though
Media Market, right?
even
When
though
we
they've
asked.
been out since like some years. So now I
Yes.
finally have them, and here's the unboxing.
Ordered at Amazon.fr.
You will cut this out. Finally received them 1 month after my birthday.
Yeah, with this big box, and then
Here they are.
the AirPods is just as small as like that in a big box.
So you have the box. Nothing very special about it.
Don't they have this little tab to open it?
No, that's only inside.
No, like for Mac they have.
On the inside we have, I guess, the instructions. Yeah.
There's
the
a sticker,
AirPod.
I suppose. Sticker.
Let me look.
And now you can finally use the cover that you bought before the AirPods. Would you believe it will be in use?
Here.
Where's the cable?
It's underneath.
Are you sure?
Have the AirPods. Ooh.
It's empty.
There's the case. There's not the AirPods.
Okay, can I?
And then the cable is underneath here.
Dun, 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 dun.
Lightning cable.
Yes, it's small. Indeed, it's small.
Ooh.
Yeah, indeed, it's small.
My God, I cannot open this.
I'm sorry, I'm such a...
You can let them fall in its
Yay!
magnet.
Whoops.
Satisfying click.
Yeah, but it's indeed. It looks like...
Dental floss.
Yeah, I was looking for the word. Sorry. Okay.
So here, that was my AirPods unboxing for my birthday. A little bit late, but they still arrived, so that's a good sign. And just to compare, for the AirPods, we bought this Nomad rugged case in darker brown. Is that how it's called?
And then to compare with the one I bought, which is an SBS. This is how it charged. That's why I included this one. It's an SBS.
It's a single earphone.
Earphone. And
Mostly
then it's
used
only
for
one piece.
phone calls.
So there.
The rugged case.
The floor is yours. Or rather, the table is yours.
Rugged case is made out of leather on 2 pieces. And you take the AirPods. We put them here. Snug fit.
This was bought prior to buying of the AirPods, which we are unaware that it is not available anymore at that time until this March. It became available, so it's in use now.
I almost thought they wouldn't be used.
Yeah, you compare it with the other one.
Then there's like a little hole here so that
Sweet.
there's space to open.
Oh, sorry.
And then if you compare the SBS with the AirPods, you can see that the AirPods are much smaller than the SBS. For the ear here,
You can turn it also.
there's a button here to turn it on. And the charging here, there's a hole, but here it's charging through magnetism.
No, for what? I don't
The
know.
AirPods I'm talking about, because
No,
it's a
for the
magnet.
Apple.
It's much here. It's literally charging. Here it's charging through the charging dock. I think that's how it's called. I heard that somewhere.
Or the case.
Yeah, it charges itself. You need to charge it plus the AirPods.
There's green.
AirPods review.
Now it's orange.
And it's white.
Then it's blinking now.
Yeah, I think orange for low battery, green fully charged, and white connected. So that was it for the AirPods unboxing.
And
then compare to the SBS and the
then there's-
Nomad rugged casing. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye!